Hello everyone, welcome back to Over channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a virtual business card with a QR code. Now, this isn't just any ordinary business card. What makes this card special is that when someone scans the QR code with their phone, it automatically saves all your contact details, your name, email, website, phone number, and even your job title straight into their phone's contacts. No more manually typing out info or handing out paper cards. It's a quick, simple, and hassle-free way to share your details in today's digital world. Plus, you can design it exactly how you want it using Canva. And the best part? You've got hundreds of free templates to choose from. So, let's dive in. To get started, all you need to do is open Canva, the software we're going to use to create this virtual business card. You can use web version of Canva, or you can download Canva app. This time I have downloaded app of Canva. Now, if you haven't heard of Canva, it's one of the best design tools out there. What's great is that you can do this entire process using the free version of Canva, so there's no need to spend any money. To start, just sign up here by clicking the button at the top right. Canva lets you sign up using Google, Facebook, or your email address, whichever is easier for you. I already have an account, so I have already signed in. But if you're new to Canva, just follow the sign-up process. Canva is easy to use, so you'll have no problem navigating around once you get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see a whole range of options. Canva isn't just for business cards, it has templates for social media posts, presentations, resumes, posters, and more. But for today, we're focused on creating a digital business card. Now, Canva's real strength lies in its templates. There are hundreds of options to choose from, each with its own style, layout, and color scheme. Whether you want something modern, minimal, or bold, you're sure to find something that fits your taste. Let's get into the business card creation process. To start, just type business card into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see a variety of templates come up. One thing to note is that most of these templates come in landscape orientation by default, but for our purpose, we're going to use portrait mode. Why? Because it just works better when sharing the card on a phone. So simply type portrait with business card and hit enter. Canva has both free and paid templates, and we'll be working with the free ones today. If you see an icon with a crown symbol on it, that means the template or element is part of the paid version of Canva. But don't worry, you can still use those templates. Just remove any of the paid elements and stick with the free ones. So now, we have a bunch of options in front of us. The next step is to choose a template that speaks to you. It doesn't really matter which one you pick because the process for customizing them is essentially the same. I'll scroll through and choose this design here. Once you click on the template, then click on Customize this template. This may take some seconds. So be patient. Now, you'll be taken to Canva's editor. And this is where all the magic happens. This is where you can customize the template to make it your own. Let's start by making some changes. First of all, I'm not a big fan of this logo, so I'm going to right-click on it and hit delete. Boom, it's gone. Same with this image here. If it doesn't fit your vibe, just delete it. Now, we're going to replace that image with one of our own. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see an Uploads option. Click on that, and you can upload your own media, whether it's a logo, photo, or any other image you want to add. Just click Upload File, choose the file from your computer, and upload it into Canva. I've already uploaded a few images, so I'm going to use one that's already here. Once it's uploaded, you can drag it into the editor and drop it into place. If you hover the new image over the old one, it'll replace the old image, fitting into the design perfectly. You can also resize the image by clicking on it and dragging the corners. Next, let's talk about colors. Canva makes it super easy to change the colors of any element. For example, I'm not really feeling this blue color in the background. So I'll click on it, and up here at the top, I can choose a new color. I think black looks better, so I'll go with that. Now let's update the text. Just double-click on the text field, and you can type in whatever you want. I'll add a Fix Master here since that's the focus of my channel. Since this is going to be a digital business card, I don't need all of this additional info, like the address, etc. So I'll delete it by pressing the backspace key. As you can see, Canva makes it really easy to customize your design to fit your personal style. Now that we've got our business card looking good, it's time to add the magic element, a QR code. This is the key to making your card truly digital. To create a QR code, we're going to use a website called QR Code Monkey. I've left a link to the site in the description below. This tool is super easy to use, and the best part is it's free. Once you're on the QR Code Monkey website, you'll see several options for the types of QR codes you can create. What we're interested in is the V card option, which stands for virtual card. This will allow people to scan the QR code and save your contact info directly onto their phones. Now that we've selected a V card, it's time to input your details. You can start with your first name, last name, and organization. If you have a business, you can add that here. Or, if you're like me, and you're a YouTuber, you can simply add what you do. For example, I'll put in Affix Master. So that when someone saves my contact, they'll see that listed in the channel of field. You can also fill in other important details like your email and website. Make sure to add the information that's most relevant to you. You want this card to reflect the core details of how people can reach or connect with you. Here's where it gets fun. You can actually customize the QR code itself. Scroll down, and you'll see options to change the colors. You could keep it the traditional black and white, which is the most recognizable, but you also have the option to make it match your brand colors. You can select that here. To see change, click on Create a QR code. And the QR code will update in real time. However, for this video, I'm going to keep it classic black and white because that tends to scan better on most devices. You can also add a logo to your QR code. This could be your company logo, or if you're sharing contact details, you might want to add a profile photo or a brand image. Just upload the image, and it'll appear in the center of the QR code. You can play around with this feature and see what works best for your design. You can change design of your QR code. Once you're happy with your design, then click on Generate QR Code to refresh changes in QR code. You can then download it as a PNG file, which works great because it's high resolution. Now, when you have all done, open Canva again. Then go to Upload. Now, from here click on Upload Files. Now, locate and upload your QR code. Once it uploaded, drag it to your design where you want. Once you have done. Now, I will show you to change file type and download. Now click on Share button at the top right corner. Then from here click on Download. Then from here you can change file type, like PNG, JPG, PDF, etc. Once you have selected, click on Download. It will starts download. Between and downloading, it will ask you select location to save your design. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Good.
Bye.